Guys, who remembers this monster phone? The most durable phone in the galaxy. Why the most durable? Because I had already poured boiling water on it, left it in the fridge for the whole night, dropped it in the ice block from the height of the fifth floor, and even put it in the liquid nitrogen. And guess what? It still works. But today it will be different. Yes, high temperature challenge. So let's start with this weapon of the future, the most powerful laser on the internet. Oops, it works. Okay, let's start. Watch carefully. Oh no. No way. Just look at this burn. The phone works. Yes, the laser is really very powerful. So, now the heat gun that can make the temperature up to plus 100 degrees Celsius. Will the battery like it? Let's check it out. The screen looks okay and works. Look at the plastic now. Just look at this. Only after 3 minutes later, the plastic began to melt. This is a phone from the future, and it continues to work, as you see. Now let's do the craziest. Pour molten copper on the phone. Do you guys think the phone will work after that? Okay, let's just do it. Oh man, it was hot. Holy, uh, unbelievable. The phone looks intact. Look at the screen. No way. It works. Holy. Many burns. But the phone works. Oh man. No way. Oh, it works. Just look at this. Guys, I need to compare it with, Nokia 3310. How do you like the idea? Tell me in the comments. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.